Federal prosecutors were hoping to wrap up their case today in the trial of the 4 men accused in a plot to kidnap the governor, but that didn't happen.
Now, as defense attorneys prepare for their turn sometime tomorrow, they're already running into obstacles. Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker is covering every day of this trial for us.
Even before defense attorneys got a chance to start, 2 defense witnesses invoked the Fifth Amendment and won't be required to testify. At least one of the 2 witnesses was in Luther, near Cadillac, when the Wolverine Watchman trained in September 2020. But he was not part of the group that conducted nighttime recon on the governor's cottage in Elk Rapids that weekend. Mr. Maine, can you talk about taking the Fifth? You were up at the camp in Luther. Could you talk about that? The attorney for suspect Daniel Harris subpoenaed him to testify for the defense. You lost 2 defense witnesses today. Could you talk about how much that's hamstringing you guys?
I have no comment.
The witness's attorney says he feared if he took the stand, he could say something that could incriminate himself and lead to state or federal charges. The second man who pleaded the Fifth also was a witness for Harris. Obviously, you don't want to incriminate yourself. I mean, is there something illegal that you did?
I can't talk about that.
The judge ruled that neither could be forced to testify. Tomorrow, key defense witness Stephen Robeson, an FBI informant, is expected in court, also to ask the judge to keep him off the stand, fearing he could face charges after the feds say he ended up helping the suspects. Defense attorneys say Robeson played a big part in entrapping their clients.
I guess the government sometimes tells people informally they don't have anything to worry about when they want the witness, but
federal prosecutors say they expect to wrap up their case tomorrow, likely before noon, and then the defense will get its chance. In Grand Rapids, Ken Kolker, News 8.